A federal high court sitting in Kano State on Thursday invalidated all actions taken by the Kano State government to repeal the Kano Emirate Council Law 2024. What are we hearing again? What are we hearing again? Different judgments. For some time now, we've not heard anything about this Kano issue. Uh, it's like they were cooking something, and what they were cooking is what we are seeing now. That is what we are seeing now. Recall that the Kano House of Assembly had originally repealed the law, leading Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf to implement it by removing Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero as the Emir of Kano. Also, the governor reversed the establishment of 4 emirates, Bichi, Rano, Karaye, and Gaya, that were created by his predecessor, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. Ganduje na doctor. Doctorate degree. Well, the law was used to reinstall Mohammed Sanusi II, who had been dethroned by Ganduje in 2020 as the 16th Emir of Kano. However, Aminu Baba Danaguri, a kingmaker in the former Kano Emirate known as Saki Dawaki Baba, or Babaya, challenged the legality of the law, represented by his counsel, Chikausolu Ojuku, SAN. He petitioned the court to declare the law null and void. Yes, null and void. In a ruling delivered on Thursday, Justice Abdullahi Mohammed Lima overturned the actions of the Kano government and directed all parties to maintain the status quo ante. Sahara reporters had on Wednesday reported that human rights lawyer Femi Falana SAN faulted the decisions of the Federal High Court and National Industrial Court on the emirship Tosu in Kano State, describing both decisions as highly erroneous. Falana had insisted that the decision could not be justified under Section 251 and 254C of the Constitution. The fiery human rights lawyer who made this position or his position known in a statement titled Federal High Courts and National Industrial Court lack jurisdiction to determine chieftaincy matters, had advised that judges and lawyers should realize that disputes arising from chieftaincy and other local matters are within the exclusive jurisdiction of the high courts of each state or the federation. This he postulated, notwithstanding that the country is operating a distorted federal arrangement. The legal luminary had said that hiding under fundamental human rights enforcement to dabble into the chieftaincy matters was wrong, maintaining that chieftaincy is not a matter of fundamental rights and cannot be enforced under the provisions of Section 31 of the Constitution. Now that it takes another lawyer to say what some people are doing is wrong. So do you want to tell me that they are not aware? I don't understand. Does it mean this is what happens in other countries? Instead of us to be talking about, convicting those who have committed one offense or the other. No, they'll just be turning things upside down. And you think that the world is not looking at you. The world is not looking at what we are doing, because all of those people in other countries, they have their representatives in Nigeria and they see what is happening. So, and we want the world to take us serious, and we want foreign investors to come in. I don't understand, because the law is there. Everything is there. And I don't understand when they will say, oh, there was a judgment in Lagos. Oh, it was overturned in Bayelsa. Oh, something happened in Kogi State. In Bauchi, they've overturned. I don't understand. The law is there. Just follow it. It's as simple as that. All they say going back and forth. I don't understand. Everything is already stipulated. Then why turning things upside down? You see them? This is no matter of you are signing this, you are not signing it. They know. Then why are they doing the wrong thing? So are they not worse than those who are committing offense or committing crimes here and there? When you know that, okay, this is what the law says concerning this, everything has been put in place so that if anybody else, you will go and check and know the punishment that is meant for that person. No, it's a different thing. They will not be using, it is only in Nigeria they will be using technicality. Technicality nonsense has put Nigeria to where it is as we speak. The Nigeria Judiciary under the APC has been turned into a beer parlor where all sorts of refreshments are ordered depending on your pocket size. The court lack jurisdiction to entertain chieftaincy matters. Shame on corrupt judges. Emirate without the state government support and funding is as good as nothing. The federal government cannot make budgets for Kano Emirate. Yes, you know the way people just look at police. When you see police like this, just a beg, who be this one again? You don't have respect, you don't have regard for them. The only thing that make people, try to adjust when they see them, because they will misbehave because of the shakabula way that they carry. Yes, but when you come, in terms of respect, nobody has respect for them, and that is how these judges will be. Of course, people are beginning to look them one kind. They will not be respected, just like the policemen are being treated, or are being looked down upon. Kano should learn a good lesson from Abeokuta, Ogun State capital, which has 5 obas. The old saga is game plan, but to ensure that the matter gets to the Supreme Court, which will definitely confirm Sanusi as the emir, and with that, no government would be able to remove him again. But High Court has no such power, hence the law only empowers governor as to the issue of traditional rulership. And that is why you hear this guy crying up and down or raising alarm. Kwakwansu say, oh, the problem they are about to create in Kano, their hand no go free chamo. And that is how Boko Haram started. They should be careful. And they said, oh, why should it be that? They should even arrest Kwakwansu, that is the one who is accusing the federal government wrongly. But in this case now, it is clear, even to the blind, that this is not right. And we see how people who will come out like Femi Falana saying, this is not the way things should go. You better do the needful. That was how they do the election that put Tinubu as the president. They modeled everything, turned everything upside down. Governments now involved in traditional matters. APC will use their hands to crumble their governments. The government did there before. They never crumble them. So guys, I beg second base. Leave your comment down there and let's have your take.